Good morning, honey. Why are you still in bed?
Good morning, Mom. I don't feel well. My stomach hurts and I feel dizzy.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you feel sick when you woke up, or did it start later?
I felt sick as soon as I woke up. I also feel very tired and my head hurts a little.
Do you think you might have a fever? Let me check your temperature.
Okay, I feel warm and uncomfortable.
You do have a slight fever. If you're not feeling well, you shouldn't go to school today.
I understand. I don't think I could concentrate in class anyway.
That's right. Your health is more important than school right now.
So, what should we do next?
First, I will call your school and tell them you are sick and will stay home today.
Thank you, Mom. I was worried about missing school.
Don't worry. You can catch up on your work when you feel better.
After that, are we going to see the doctor?
Yes, we will visit the doctor to find out what's wrong and make sure it's nothing serious.
Do you think I will need medicine?
The doctor will examine you and decide. For now, it's important to rest and drink plenty of water.
Good morning, Green Valley School. How may I help you?
Good morning. This is Mrs. John, Lily's mother. I'm calling to inform you that my Lily is sick today.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
She got sick this morning. She has a fever and a stomachache, so she won't be able to come to school today.
Thank you for letting us know. We hope she feels better soon.
Thank you. Please let her teacher know that she will be absent today.
Of course. Will she be visiting a doctor?
Yes. I plan to take her to the doctor later today.
That's a good idea. Please send a note when she returns.
I will. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Take care.
Sweetie, it's time for us to see the doctor.
Mom, there are so many doctors. How do I know which one to see?
You're right. There are many types of doctors. It depends on what kind of help you need.
Can you tell me about the different types?
Sure. Here are some common ones. First, general practitioner or family doctor. They check your overall health, treat common illnesses, and guide you if you need a specialist. Second, pediatrician, a doctor for children. They know about kids' growth, vaccines, and common childhood illnesses. Dentist, which is for teeth and mouth care. Optometrist or ophthalmologist, which is for eye checkups, glasses, or vision problems. Dermatologist, which is for skin issues like rashes, acne, or allergies. ENT, which is for earaches, sinus problems, or throat issues. And other specialists, doctors for specific problems like heart, lungs, or digestion.
Wow, that's a lot. How do I choose the right one?
First, think about your symptoms. If it's something simple or general, start with a general practitioner or pediatrician for children. If it's a specific problem, your doctor may refer you to a specialist.
So, the pediatrician for me is like the first step?
Exactly. They help you figure out if you need extra care and which specialist to see.
That makes sense. I'll remember to tell the doctor exactly how I feel.
Perfect. Clear communication helps the doctor give the best care.
Hello. What brings you here today?
Hello, doctor. My Lily got sick this morning.
I see. What symptoms does she have?
She has a fever, a headache, and a stomachache.
Okay. How are you feeling now?
I still feel weak and my stomach hurts.
Did you eat or drink anything unusual?
No, I didn't.
I'm going to check your temperature and listen to your breathing. It looks like a mild infection. She needs rest and plenty of fluids.
Does she need medicine?
Yes, I'll give her some medicine to reduce the fever.
When can I go back to school?
You can return when you feel better and don't have a fever.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
The doctor gave us a prescription for your medicine. Now it's time to go to the pharmacist.
Mom, what does a pharmacist do?
A pharmacist is a health professional who gives medicines, explains how to use them safely, and answers questions about health.
Can we buy any medicine from them?
Not exactly. Some medicines can be bought without a prescription. These are called over-the-counter medicines, like acetaminophen, which is for pain relievers and vitamins.
And what about the other medicines?
Some medicines need a doctor's prescription because they are stronger or need supervision, like antibiotics.
So the pharmacist gives over-the-counter medicines directly and fills prescriptions for other medicines?
Exactly. And they also teach you how to take them safely, which is very important.
I understand. Always check with the pharmacist if I'm not sure about a medicine.
Yes, pharmacists help you stay healthy and safe.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Good afternoon. My Lily is sick, and the doctor prescribed this medicine.
Let me see the prescription, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. This medicine is for his fever and stomach pain.
How should I take the medicine?
Take 1 spoon after meals, twice a day.
Are there any side effects?
She may feel a little sleepy. Make sure she drinks plenty of water.
How many days should he take it?
For 5 days, as the doctor advised.
Can I go to school while taking the medicine?
Yes, if you feel better and don't have a fever.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
Mom, what's for dinner tonight?
Hi, sweetie. Tonight we're having grilled chicken, steamed vegetables, and rice. I also made some fruit for dessert. Are you feeling better?
Yes, Mom. I took my medicine and rested this afternoon. I feel much better now.
That's good to hear. But remember, just because you feel better doesn't mean you should eat too much at once. Your body still needs gentle care after being sick.
Oh, I thought I could eat lots of things and be full again.
You can enjoy dinner, but let's start with small portions.
Okay, Mom. I'll eat slowly. And I think I can go back to school tomorrow.
If you continue to feel well and have no fever or symptoms, then yes, you can go back.
All right, Mom. Love you. I'll keep you updated.